So today I'm going to be doing a review on this Canon camera. And you see here it uses actual mini DVD. And actually it's a pretty thick DVD, really. Now, alright, this is how you turn it on, just like that. Now, it doesn't have an automatic lens cover thing. You have to actually, which actually moves pretty fast. And of course, like any normal camcorder, you can flip it like that, even down. And if you want to switch between photo or video mode, you just use this little switch. Now, if you want to take pictures, you have to actually save it to a mini SD card, which I do. It's interesting, but also you don't see too many mini DV or mini SD card. Now, when I connect it to like a TV, you just use that, which I do believe is proprietary. Now to add the menu is like a little joystick here. So you just of course you can mess with the digital zoom or and you see it has stereo microphone, right and left. Now that is actually meant for the remote, so you got to control it and all that. Now if you want to remove the battery, you just plain do it like that. Which, if you're wondering what that is meant for exactly, there's a little like battery cover thing which lets you know, or as soon as you put it in there, well, you know if it's either charged or not. Now, to be honest, for that I do find it quite charming, just how simple but gets the job done kind of thing. Now in this camera I do like all this stuff you can adjust, all these buttons here. Now it also does have a viewfinder. Of course you adjust it like this. Now if you want to do photo, you push this button, zoom in and out. For this, I've tried switching it between the two settings here. I've not really noticed a difference, so don't know if it's really working or if it's just something really subtle. Now to charge it, just normal like barrel jack. Yeah. So now if you want to send over data, you use that. And of course a normal tripod mount. Now one thing you might be wondering what this is for. Well, that's just to keep it balanced with this and all that. So it stays still without walking around too much. But that's the inside of the drive there. It's a pretty interesting camera. Now, one thing it is, on you're using the CD part, it does shake around quite a bit. I don't know if you guys can hear all the noises it's making, but that should be that's finalized, and it does normally does about 30-minute videos on one CD, which I believe each CD is 1.5 gigabytes. I believe. Don't quite quote me on that. Now these are rewritable CDs, although there is just some CDs that are not rewritable, just plain writable, so you can't erase over what you did before and all that. Now on this button here, which I believe is either like the mini SD card to a DVD or RAM function on that, so you could switch over a file you have on there to the CD and whatnot. And I do believe that when it says megapixel, I believe it means just 1 megapixel. I could be wrong on that too. Also, I do not know quite the resolution, but I do believe it might be 480. I mean, it's a pretty sharp image, really. And it's actually quite a heavy camera. I mean, I wouldn't quite say 1 pound, maybe a little less than that, maybe like 10 ounces kind of weight. Maybe a little heavier than that. Now, you can also use like a little DVD drive, or kind of a DVD player, so use that. Alright, this CD isn't truly proprietary, it's just, you don't see that too much today. Certain software or certain things you might get for computers, they might actually use the same size CD for it. So you can put it in your computer and play the video from there. Yeah, all in all, I mean, I like the camera. It's pretty neat, interesting camera. Definitely an interesting design to it, with the kind of like a straight look on this, to it being kind of weird and almost like an oval shape or whatever. Plus, she kind of how it mixes in. I mean, to me, it almost looks like an add-on, but again, I mean, I'm not seen a mini DVD camcorder like this before, so yeah. And you guys are wondering why there's some junk on here. That was sticker on it when I got the camera, so sticker residue. So hopefully I'll get that cleaned off. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a video sample off of this thing or not, but if I can, I will add it to the video on here. So if there's any other type of camera you want me to do like a review on, like different video types, just let me know and I'll try my best to do that video next. Thank you.